Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Mr. Didoh Military News Channel. On April 13, 2024, the morning sky in the Middle East was ablaze with light and explosions. Has war occurred? Yes, war has occurred between Iran versus Israel. That night, the conflict that occurred showed the two forces that were attacking and defending that both had evolved. In this video, Mr. Didoh Military News does not discuss war, but will review the weapons used or owned by them. Mr. Didoh this time will discuss the types of weapons used by Iran. Iran's weapons are long-range drone SHAHED 136. This is a kamikaze drone. Kamikaze is a term from Japanese, which means as air troops in war who are willing to die by crashing the plane they are driving or flying into the target they want to destroy. This drone was also used by Russia for its aggression against Ukraine. Iran is Russia's ally. After the SHAHED 136 drone was modified by adding a jet engine, this drone evolved into the SHAHED 238. So this video ends. I hope what has been discussed can increase the knowledge of Mr. Didoh channel viewers. We will meet again in the next more interesting topic. Thank you.